Hey, this is RandomRandomMan coming to you for my second LEGO City review, and this time it's on another set that comes out this year, and it's on the LEGO City repair truck, ages 5 to 12, set number 3179, and it comes with one minifigure, and it has 118 pieces. And here's the minifigure. Here's the minifigure. He actually looks pretty detailed. He has a smiley glasses face. He has a screwdriver at hand, and gloves, and blue pants, a orange torso with shiny pockets, I think, and a blue sweater underneath, and a red-orange hard hat, I'm not sure. Yeah, he's pretty cool. And here's the light, like a street lamp. You can also get one of these in the LEGO City corner, and it has a yellow light with a long stand and posable lighting so it can go up and down. And same thing on the bottom of the base too. Comes with a green waste basket. Never seen these before. It's green. I usually see silver. But yeah, to me it looks like a recycling bin, even though it doesn't say that. Still, you can grab on. The minifigures can grab onto it. And yeah. Onto the main part of the set. Here's a repair truck. It's pretty detailed, and has sirens, orange sirens with a grill on top. A yellow body scheme. It has like a yellow, mainly yellow, and if you pop off the yellow top, there's a blue steering wheel inside and a seat for a driver. Looks like that you can fit 2 minifigures in there, but you could only fit one. Gray windshield, you can see the inside a little bit more. There's an extra window back here, you know. The license plate that says 3179 GM 3179. There's also a bumper. And the lightning repair logos on either side. I don't know what these tools are because it looks like a wrench of some sort, and it comes with 2 container boxes. This one comes with 2 extra street lamp lights in case one gets burned out. And over here comes with an oil canister and a drill. Yeah. And the main play feature of this set is the little crane, and you put the minifigure up here, and he's trying to unscrew the lamp, and he replaces it. I think that's a nice play feature, and yeah, that's nice. It also comes with these, I think they're called barricades, or I don't know what they're called. I think they're called roadblockers or barricades, but they have orange lights on them, and yeah. This crane, I forgot to mention, turns 360 degrees around. Fortunately, it'll fall off if you do that. And here's a little hammer, looks like a pickaxe or something. I think it's used to get out hard stuff to get out for repairs. And yellow doors. Yeah, these are becoming more common now in sets like the Lego City small car, not in the sports car because they came out last year. Yeah, the doors used to be in other sets like the Lego City Doctor's car, and they were in 2006, but for some reason they stopped using doors. And onto the box. Says 3179 repair truck, 118 pieces. Here's the minifigure. National 5. Designed for easy building. And here's the play features of the set. Just putting a barricade on there. He's replacing the street lamp. Turns to 360 degrees. Accessories. Yeah. This set. Sorry about that. This set is actually a pretty good set. It costs $13. It's actually not a rip-off. So if you see these in stores, I would recommend to buy it. So yeah, it's not a bad set. You get a cool minifigure. There's also a nice accessory to your city. So pretty nice addition because every city needs a repair truck just in case. Yeah. Anyway, please rate, comment, and subscribe. This has been RandomRandomMan, and goodbye.